So the problem is while fixing this setup on this helmet, you can see here hey all, Abhi this side, welcome to Bikes and Throttle. See, couple of weeks there was a sale happened in Amazon and Flipkart and I got this DJI Osmo action camera from it. And fortunately, I got the entire setup for something around 17,000 rupees. That includes this Synovus mic adapter and Maunos mic and a screen protector. See, this video is not going to be any unboxing or review or anything like that, but see, while fixing this action camera on my helmet as a vlogging setup, I faced some difficulties, and when I went to YouTube and I searched for some reference, but I couldn't find any video to fix it in a proper manner, and later I find my own way. So I thought to make a video so that it might help someone. So this video is all about it. So here is my MT's Thunder 3 helmet, and here you can see the Blue Armor's chin mount. I need to say about this, the best one I ever find in the market. See, even after fixing this, even I can able to use my front air vent without any interruption, and I am using this close to an year and it is still working perfectly. And you can click this iCard somewhere here or there, and you can see like how I mounted this chin mount on this helmet. Okay, now let's come to the point. See, most of the people preferring this Monos mic as a basic setup mainly for three major reasons. First thing is of the price, because this Monos mic price will come less than 400 bucks, and quality is of course good, and because of this TRRS to TRS adapter. Now I will show you the problem. Now here you can see this Monos mic and this TRRS to TRS converter and this mic adapter, Synovus mic adapter. So the problem is while fixing this setup on this helmet, you can see here this particular adapter is hitting in the edges of this helmet. So what happened means, in long run, I don't mind about losing this TRRS adapter or this mic adapter or even this mic, but the problem is, if you are fixing like this, means in long run it might damage the Type-C port of this action camera, and that's going to cost a lot for sure. So even if I add some extender like extra extender like up and down or something also, it looks like there will be a lot of gap between this helmet and the camera. That also, well, when we are riding, it might when the riding stability and lot of issues like the wind catch and everything will happen, and again it might damage even the fixture and everything. So even I can't go with that also. And remember one thing, like all this adapter and everything belongs to my old SJ camera. DJI comes with a different setup. So because of all these difficulties, I want to ditch this Monos TRRS to TRS adapter, and I am forced to buy this Rhodes SC3 TRRS to TRS adapter. And the funny part is, even after spending 1200 rupees for this adapter, the cable looks too thin and delicate. So I want to find a solution to keep the cable safe and protect, because when we are wearing the helmet, when we are riding somewhere, I don't want, like, if I don't want it to be like it should break, or it should because of the wear and tear, I don't want to lose that particular adapter. So I want to find a solution to keep it safe and secure. So using a cable protector, I secured this tiny wire. I bought this cable protector from AliExpress long back, and it should be available in Amazon. Anyway, I will leave the link in the description box, and if you would like to buy one. And this cable protector will secure the cable from end to end, and we can use this in anything like even headphones, charger, and so many. And here you can see I stick the cable organizer to keep this 3.5 mm jack of the mic. It looks organized and it won't hang around even if you are not using the action camera. And here is my Paranese intercom, and here you can see the cable protector. Here even you can see the cable protector in it. And if you ask me why there is too many cable protector, The answer is so simple. See, even if I spend another $100, because all this cable protector will cost very cheaper, so even if you spend less than $100, I can use this cable for quite a long time without any damage. So a small request to Mano, please try to make an L-shaped adapter, because a lot of people are depending on you. This will help us to fix your camera on this action camera without action camera without any hassle. And a request even to Sanova also, like try to swap the ports, like swap this port between leave this the 3.5 mm jack to in the place of type C, and type C in the place of 3.5 mm jack. So the mic completely I fixed in this helmet in a normal way. There is a lot of videos are available in YouTube. We can refer it. That's it. There is no rocket science in it. It's a quite and simple way to leave the mic inside the helmet. And for video and the mic quality, please stay tuned for my next video. And so here is the end of this video, and I hope this video will help you guys to keep the cable secure, safe and organized. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye bye.